Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time and date on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the \menu button. After you open the menu, you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Scroll through the menu, find the settings option and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and select the option called time and date. Tap on it, and here we have time and date options. First, let's tap on time. It will open this menu. Here we can select the time format, for example, 24 hours, and now we can set the time to our liking. So you can adjust the time by swiping up and down on hours and minutes, and once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm. So that's how you change the time. To change the date, scroll down, tap on date, and basically adjust it by swiping up and down. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.